Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a platformer in Scratch. First, we'll set up basic player movement using the left and right arrow keys, allowing your character to move across the screen. Next, we'll introduce gravity, making your sprite fall realistically when not on a platform. Then, we'll tackle collision detection, ensuring your character lands firmly on surfaces. Finally, we'll add a jumping mechanism, giving your player the ability to leap over obstacles and reach new heights. Now, let's enhance our platformer with more advanced movement. We'll refine horizontal motion, adding a subtle acceleration and deceleration for a smoother feel. Next, we'll implement variable jump height, allowing players to control their jumps by how long they press the spacebar. We can also introduce wall jumping, letting your character push off vertical surfaces. Finally, adding friction will prevent your sprite from sliding indefinitely, making movement more precise and engaging. With solid movement, it's time to design engaging levels. We'll explore creating various platform types, from static blocks to moving platforms that challenge player timing. You can implement collectible items, like coins or power-ups, to give players objectives. Introducing hazards such as spikes or simple enemies will add danger and require careful navigation. Remember, thoughtful level design keeps players engaged and provides a rewarding experience. To complete our platformer, let's add polish and game over conditions. Incorporate visual effects like particle systems for jumps and sound effects for actions, enhancing player feedback. Implement a clear game over state when your character loses all health or falls off the screen. Conversely, create a win condition when the player reaches a specific goal. Finally, fine-tune all controls and physics to ensure a smooth, enjoyable, and professional-feeling game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.